Hi, this is Tracey from Mindless Crafting, and today we're going to be using our Mindless Crafting Christmas kit, and we're going to be creating this awesome frame using our wooden Christmas trees, which is included in your kit. So let's get started. Now this is a frame I just happen to have in my stash. It's been in my stash for almost 2 years and I hadn't used it. And then once I saw it and I saw how I can use these Christmas trees to make my own holiday decor, I thought this would be a really good idea. So let's go ahead and put this to the side. This frame is called Tollsby and I got it from IKEA. And so it comes like in 2 parts, and all you do, it has like a little, like a glass, not really a glass, but almost like a plastic, very lightweight glass in there. Something like that. Not really glass though. And so I'm going to use this, and then you just screw it on like this. And I did see where you can get some on Amazon. So I went and bought me a few from Amazon because I thought it would be nice to make about 3 of these. That way I can decorate the house for the holidays. And a lot of you know that I absolutely love this pattern. So I'm going to use this to decorate my tree. Also, that particular paper came from the 6x6 Farmhouse Christmas paper pad from Cartabella. And it's super pretty. That is in your kit. And this is a 12x12 sheet. I already started cutting into it. And I'm going to use this also to decorate my tree. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to cover your tree, and you could do it in whatever color you want. I'm going to just turn this over, and look how pretty it is on that side too. And I'm going to trace this out because I'm not using this side as pretty as it is, but that's okay because there's another sheet in there. And I'm going to need 2 of these. Just tracing this. Okay, let's do another one for the other tree. Oh, and I think I did it a little bit over too much, but that's okay. Look what I'm going to do. I'm just going to go ahead and retrace because I didn't have it measured out. It came off the sides a little bit. So let's go ahead and do that. And while I'm doing that, make sure you have the same 2 trees. These trees are 6 in a pack that comes in your kit. And I'm using the rounded bottom edge one. So let me just show you the difference. See, that one has the edge like that. I'm going to use the one that has the rounded edge. So I'll have to get 2 of those. We won't really need this one. Okay, and so I'm going to go ahead and cut these out so I can cover my trees. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and cover this. And the nice thing about this is that you can paint them if you want. And if you want to use different paper, or if you want to use napkins, you can use napkins to cover these with. Kind of Mod Podge a napkin on there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and let's put some glue on here. And you notice the slits. I'm not going to use those slits this time. You can pull ribbon through there and make it look really pretty also. You can add your paper on, and then you can cut with an X-Acto knife and add ribbon on it. Just another idea. You can make ornaments, get the kids to decorate them. There's so much you can do with this. And these trees are also in our store. If you want to do that too, you can go ahead. If you want extra of those, they are in our Mindless Crafting store. And I'll leave the link for where you can find the those frames because they're super cute and they are on Amazon. So I did check. Just think it's a nice way to decorate and looks elegant too. Look at that. So I'm not going to cover the back part because what I'm going to do is I'm going to end up gluing them to each side of the frame, the glass on the frame. Okay, get that covered nice. Look how cute that is already. Okay, so now I'm going to take this paper, which is also included in your kit, and I'm going to just cut out this. You see the shape already of the tree? I think that would be cute. So I'm just going to go right here and cut that out. And this is included in your kit. This is a 12 by 12 paper. But I've already been cutting into it and just having a lot of fun decorating with it. So I just definitely had to get these trees. I love the fact it's the shape of a tree and it fits perfectly on here. So it's a good way to layer your stuff. I'm just going to cut so that star has a little bit of a shape there. Just cut right like that. And this will be cute just as an ornament altogether. You can just glue them back to back, and these are very, very lightweight. So you can do so much with these. So I'm going to take that and put it right there. Right? How cute that is. But before I do that, I'm going to add some stitching on these. Just to give it a little bit of a border and bring out the white in this. So that's why I'm adding the white stitching. And also the frame is white too, so you could actually, if you wanted to, you could spray paint the frame. But you can use other frames too that have just the glass included in it and just glue it right to the glass. These would be so cute as ornaments. I could already see it. So you can do it in different colors. You don't have to keep the traditional Christmas colors. This is going to go right in the center of there. I'm going to also do this one, but I am going to just add a little bit of the mounting tape to give it some dimension. How cute. Add that right on here in the center. And it fits perfect. So that's just adding another layer. Look how cute that is. Just adding a little bit of another layer on there, and then I'm going to drop a gem right here. So get your gems out. These are included in your kit. And look at that. How adorable is that? So I'm going to go ahead and cover this other one here. Actually, I'm going to make some stitching around this one, and then I'll come back and we'll be ready to glue it on. Okay, so now I just want to make sure that this it's like a plexiglass, that's what I would call it, is nice and clean. I just want to make sure that that's clean. And then what I'm going to do is add my glue on here, and I'm using my art glitter glue. And this is so light. The actual wood tree is so light in weight that you don't really need a whole lot. The art glitter glue is going to work. So let me make sure I line this up so I can center it. Right about there. Okay, so we're going to let that dry for a moment. And then I'm going to come back and do the other side. I have this small bow here. And that is in your kit. And we are going to add that little bow right there. So adorable. Just to have a little tree topper. And I probably should have done this before I glued it down on there, but that's okay. Let our bow sit right there for a minute and let it dry. And then we're going to come back and we'll finish up. Okay, so I flipped this over, and if you see on the other side, it's still kind of drying, but I can go ahead and place this on top of here. I'm going to glue that one down so you don't even see that. So now it gives it a nice 3D effect. So I'm going to go ahead and add some glue to this. And I'm noticing I have a little bit of edge sticking out. If that bothers you, you just cut it off. At least cut it off before you put the glue on. Don't do like I just did. That's why I like to leave everything in my video so that you can see everything unfold, you know? Okay. Let's put this on now. Lay that down, and I did cut off a little bit of my stitching. That's okay. You could doctor that up just a little bit. I'm going to give that a little bit of time to dry, and then all we have to do is add our other bows on there. Now, if you want, you could also hot glue it, but because that's like a plastic, I don't want the hot glue to melt it. So we're going to let this dry for a moment. Okay, so both sides are all glued on. Look at that. See that? Now we can add our bows. And all I did to add these bows, I still didn't use hot glue, but you can if you want. I just used some of this, these glue dots. And these are very sticky. So all I did was, once I had it lined up the way I wanted it to be lined up, I just stuck this on. It's such a tiny bow. Okay, see that? And you can't see it. And then you can't see the little glue dot there. Take another one, and I thought it would be a cute one below for balance, right? Another one right there. All lined up. See how super easy this is? And then let's put our bottom back on here. These frames are super cool, okay? I wish I would have gotten more from IKEA when I had the chance, but I did get a few more from Amazon. So look how cute that is. Oh my goodness. So adorable. And it looks like it's just suspended in midair. These will make great gifts, I think, too. So I hope you like this. I hope you were inspired by this. I really absolutely love these frames. And I know you're going to have so much fun with your Christmas kit. I hope you're digging into it and having a lot of fun with it. So many different ideas that you can do with your kit. I will put the link for the kit to our Mindless Crafting store. And y'all have a great day. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. And give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you real soon. Bye.